OK，咁而家就係 Chapter 2.2啦。So let's go to Chapter 2.2. So in this chapter, we will mainly talk about the major fluvial process in the river. Okay, so it means different process in different course of a river. So first of all, I want you to do the Let's Explore 2.2 on page 14 to 15, as you might not know how to draw the long profile of a river. So I have also attached the PowerPoint to you, and here I'm going to go through it quickly about how to draw the long profile of the river. The long profile of the river basically is something like a cross section of the river. Okay, so first of all, it's similar to the cross section that you have learned in Form 3. So you need to use a paper strip and then place it to the map, especially place it on the river， 即係對準條河啦。跟住就 mark 翻低第一呢度 source river source， 即係河一開頭流落嚟應該就比較高嘅，你見到係over 500嘅，咁呢度就580啦。好，咁跟住呢，就係每一個直線距離呢，就 mark 一 mark 個點，跟住就轉張紙咁啊。記得 mark 嘅時候呢，就 mark 翻低嗰個，即係譬如呢個位係500，跟住呢度可能係400到500中間，係啦，咁啊 mark 翻清楚，咁啊一路 mark 完之後呢，就 keep 翻呢一張紙。記得最尾呢個河口呢，都要寫翻低係一個 mouth 啦。OK， 跟住河口湖呢個位呢，你要 mark 翻低係一個 lake， 跟住就可以畫一個 frame 啦。個 frame 呢，呢一個闊度呢，就應該等同於呢你呢一張紙嘅長度嘅，即係呢個 river source 去到 mouth 嘅長度啦。事關呢，呢個就真係代表個 river source to 個 river mouth 啦。咁 the next step, you need to draw the height, okay, from 100 to 600, because the highest point from the river should be the river source, which is 580 meter. So place the paper strip onto the frame and then mark back the height and the position. 咁仔細啲呢，你係可以 mark 埋呢一啲細嘅位嘅，即係 in between 400至500啦，或者你想淨係 mark 啲大 points 呢，就方便少少嘅做法。And then you joined them together. It should be going downwards towards the river mouth， 因為係上游去到下游，應該係高至低嘅。咁你就 indicate 翻啦，近河口嘅位置呢，就有個湖嘅。咁啊，記得俾翻個 title 啦，呢個就 The Long Profile of the River 啦，呢度個 title 就大概係咁啦。咁你自己試下呢，就畫 Let's Explore 嘅14到15頁啦。跟住其實你呢喺書入邊呢，即係 Map Reading 嗰本書嘅第23至24頁都有講點樣去畫呢個 Long Profile 嘅。咁14至15頁呢個 Let's Explore 嘅答案呢，稍後時間都會 post 翻上去俾大家對翻嘅。So if there's no questions about how to draw the long profile, then we will go to the content knowledge of this chapter. Okay, so first of all, I mentioned about different course of the river. The river actually divided into the upper course, the middle course, and the lower course. So in real, it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, upper, middle, and the lower course. So you can see in different courses, the width, the strength, the shape, and also the sediments are different, right? So all this affecting the energy of the river on the course. So which course do you think carries the smallest amount of the channel water? Okay, this is also the question box on page 15. Of course, you could see the water in here. The upper course is the least, right? So here got the smallest amount of the channel water. So let's go to page 16. So as you remember, they have different shape and different sediments and different river, the different amount of the water in the channel in upper, middle, and lower course. So what are the energies of these three sections of the course, and what affects the energy in different courses? So first of all, we need to know that the energy in a river mainly are the potential energy and the kinetic energy， 勢能同埋呢個動能啦。或者叫位能啦，即係由高至低跌落去嗰個力量啦，同埋一個動能，因為水咧係會喐嘅。So what are the two basic factors affecting the channel energy? First of all is the amount of the water, and second is the speed of the water flow. So all these will affect the energy of the river. If they are both like more channel water and higher speed of the water flow, the river energy will be high as well. So the indicator of the energy in the river is measured by the discharge of the water， 個流量啦，就好似你上網嗰啲流量一樣啦。咁好簡單啦，呢度簡單啲嚟講，你覺得譬如你當嗰個能量係點樣先至大呢？好似當一個人嘅能量係點樣先至大呢？首先可能你嘅 amount of water 好多啦，係個水人嘅話，可能就係你嘅食嘅嘢好多啦，食嘢嘅速度好快啦，咁所以你 intake 個 energy 都會好多啦。咁所以對於水呢一樣嘅啫，佢嘅 amount of water 係多，而且呢係流得好快，咁佢嗰個成條河嘅 energy 呢嘅就會跟住上升啦。咁我哋首先睇下點樣去計呢嗰一個嘅 discharge 個流量先。So on page 16, you could highlight the definition of the discharge. Discharge means the volume of the water passing through a given cross section of the channel within a given period of time。 咁所以你見到我 highlight 唔同顏色啦，即係好簡單啲嚟講，即係話喺指定嘅橫切面積同埋指定嘅時間內呢，嗰個河流即係嗰個指定時間同嗰個指定面積有幾多水去通過，我哋就叫做佢嘅一個 discharge 一個流量啦。咁呢一度有條簡單嘅 equation 啦。Discharge 咧其實就等於 A times V。 What is A? A means the area of the stream of the cross section. It's calculated by the stream width times the stream the average depth。 呢一個嘅闊乘佢嘅高啦，即係 area 面積就係闊乘高啫嘛，係咪？好，咁然後呢，仲有一個嘢咩呢？個 velocity 啦 ，velocity 即係佢嘅流速，等於個 speed of the water flow。咁呢個呢，我哋就唔識計噶啦，因為通常就用儀器去度嘅。咁通常你知道有啲數據嘅時候呢，你就可以將佢乘埋，好似平時你好似當計一個體積咁就可以啦。咁我哋個 unit 咧，呢度留意翻啦，係 meter cube per second， 即係每立方米每秒有幾多個立方米呢會 pass through 呢嗰一個嘅 area 啦。OK， 再講多次啊，個 area of 個 cross section 就係個 width times the depth， 闊係啦，當長乘闊。OK， 個 velocity 就係 given 噶啦。你將佢乘埋一齊，寫翻清楚個單位啦，係 meter cube 啊，唔係 square 啊 ，cube per second。Okay, so the larger the discharge means the more energy the river could have. Okay, so Let's continue. So after we know that more amount of the channel water and higher speed of the river flow will give us a higher discharge and thus higher energy of the river. So what are the factors affecting the amount of the channel water? 即係第一呢一個，有啲咩因素係會影響嗰條河有幾多水呢？ So on page 17, you can see a table showing you that some factors that are affecting the amount of the channel water. And on page 16, there's a summary flow chart. You can refer to that for a quick revision. For page 17 is for detailed version. So the first factor is about the amount of the rainfall or the snow melt. Okay, because one of the very major source from the atmosphere, okay, returning back to the river is the rainfall and also the snow. When it melts, it will get into the channel. Okay, so more rainfall and snow melt, more channel water, and thus more energy of the river. Okay, very easy. What about the characteristics of the drainage basin? 咁好簡單啦，嗰個落雨或者融雪越多就越多水，咁啊 energy 越大，好容易理解啦。咁以下落嚟呢，喺 catchment area 集水處嗰度呢，唔同嘅特徵呢，都會令到嗰個嘅流量，唔係流量 sorry，嗰個 channel 入邊嘅水嘅量呢，係會有影響嘅。譬如呢，我哋睇第一個 size of 個 drainage basin 啦。OK， 好快，呢度好容易理解嘅，咁我就快少少過啦。咁好明顯啦，越大就可以吸到越多水。OK， 收咗越多水嘅時候呢，就會越多能量啦。咁所以呢 the amount of channel water and the size of the drainage basin, they are in positive relationship。越多兩個越多 ，OK， 大家正比嘅，越大 size 越多水。OK，next， the steepness of the valley slope。越斜越少 infiltration， 咁啊多啲 overland flow 啦，咁啊多啲水落個 channel 啦，咁所以就 more river energy 啦，一樣啦，正向嘅 ，OK， 越斜水越多。Permeability of the soil and rocks， 越高個滲透度呢，多啲 infiltration， 少啲 overland flow， 少啲 channel water 啦，咁 that's why。The permeability of the soil and rocks is in the negative relation of the channel water。 即係話越高滲透率 越高滲透率呢，因為滲晒啲水落去下面呢，咁佢個 channel river 就越少啦。咁如果越高呢，越低滲透度呢，咁啊多啲水去 overland flow 啦，咁啊 channel water 就會升高啦。And last, the vegetation cover. More vegetation, more inception and infiltration, and thus less overland flow and less river energy. So they are also in a negatively related relation. Okay, so we talk about the factor affecting the amount of the channel water, right?嗰個水嘅亮度啦，我哋就講咗啦，有啲唔同嘅 factors 啦。咁18至到19頁呢，就係講緊影響個水嘅速度。OK， 第二個影響 energy 嘅因素就係佢嘅速度啦。咁個速度有啲咩嘅因素會影響呢？ Let's see. First of all, again, it's about the channel gradient on page 18. You could see because the steeper the slope,the faster the flow. So here, do you think channel A or B will have a faster flow? Of course, it's channel A. So imagine you are playing a slide here, okay? This one is more steep, so you will flow faster. You will go down faster on the channel A than channel B. And also the channel friction. 嗱，咁另外一樣呢，嗰個阻力都係好影響到速度嘅喎。如果有讀 physics 嘅同學，或者你冇讀呢，你初中接觸 IS 或者讀過少少 physics 呢，其實都知嗰個嘅阻力，個摩擦嘅阻力係關影響一啲嘅速度事。譬如你開車係嘛，個車胎嗰個痕越凹凸，證明佢接觸面越大，個阻力就越大啦。咁個速度呢就會減慢。咁呢個都係一樣嘅。Friction occurs when the water contacts with the river banks and the river bed. River banks 呢就係河堤啦，兩邊嘅 river bed 就係個河床喺下面個底嘅。They will resist the movement of the water. So, greater the friction, the speed of the water will slow down, and thus the energy of the river will decrease. So, how can we measure the channel friction? Please highlight wetted perimeter. So, let's see how can we measure the wetted perimeter and what is the wetted perimeter. Wetted perimeter in Chinese means 濕周，即係濕咗嘅一個周界啦。So, it is the perimeter of the river banks and the river bed that is in contact with the water. So, these two are the river bank and this is the river bed. So, here in contact with the water start from here and to here is the wetted perimeter, 濕周。So the longer the wetted perimeter, do you think there's a greater or less friction? Of course, there is a greater friction, okay? Because the more the area that in contact with the water will make a greater friction. Okay, so let's see what are the factors that affecting the size or the length of the wetted perimeter. So on page 18 to page 19, you can see the factors affecting the channel friction. First of all, the channel roughness. Okay, you could see channel A and B. Which one do you think got a lower speed of water? So here is channel A and B, the cross section. As you can see, here very smooth, the wetted perimeter is about 22 meter, while for here it's very rough. So you need to go 好多轉折位啦，係咪啊？咁所以呢個濕周度出嚟呢，其實係32米嘅。雖然佢哋呢係類似嘅，好似差唔多闊啦嘛，係咪？咁但係佢有呢一啲嘅 roughness， 有啲石仔上面影響佢嘅粗鞋度、粗糙度呢，其實已經爭咗好遠㗎啦。佢個 wetted perimeter。So by the wetted perimeter, we can know that channel B actually got a lower speed of the water flow because the wetted perimeter is longer. And that's why the channel is rough and the friction is greater. Rough, the friction is greater. So you could answer the questions for your DBQ or essay in this way. OK， 你可以見到層層遞進。首先你答咗邊個係比較慢啦個速度，就解釋佢個 wetted perimeter 長啲。點解呢？就因為佢係比較 rough 啲，所以佢個 friction 就大啲啦。Okay, apart from the channel roughness, the shape of the channel also matters. So here are 3 different shape of the channel. First one is the rectangular, 長方形啦 and the semicircular, 半圓啦 and a V shape or what we call the triangular, 三角形或者 V shape 嘅河道啦。So, for these 3 channel, their cross-sectional area are same， 即係佢呢個面積都係呢度18同18。But which one do you think they can go through faster. We need to do a little bit calculation. So this one, we know the wetted perimeter is 2 plus 9 plus 2 equals to 13. And the wetted perimeter for this one is 10.6 meter. And this one, we know the wetted perimeter is 6 plus 6 equals to 12 meter. So after we're doing the calculation, we know that actually the rectangular channel got the longest wetted perimeter, and thus the friction here is the greatest and the water flow will be the slowest. So the three main things you need to mention is first, the wetted perimeter, second, the friction, and third, the water flow. Okay? So here, let's do a very quick summary about the factors affecting the energy of the river that we just mentioned. So first of all, the amount of the water, okay, the channel water, could be affected by the amount of rainfall, the snow melt, and also the characteristics of the drainage basin, like the size, the steepness, the permeability, and the vegetation cover. And for the speed of the water flow, it could be affected by the gradient and the friction of the river channel, while the friction could be indicated by the wetted perimeter. And the roughness of the channel and the shape of the channel affect the wetted perimeter, and thus reflecting the friction of the channel. And all this will affect the energy in the river. So, after we know that, how can we distinguish the energy of the river and different factors affecting the channel amount, the channel water amount, and also the speed of the channel, the speed of the water flow? We need to know more about different courses. In different courses, different sections of the river, their energy distribution are very different as well. So first of all, for the upper course, you can refer to page 20. So if you think there's some need, you could write down the explanation or the characteristics of the upper course, or you can print the PowerPoint slide out to do the revision. So for the upper course, because the gradient is very steep and the catchment area is small, so the amount of water is small in the upper course. And there are many stones and pebbles. So from the pictures that we show you, you can see the upper course river bank and riverbed is very rough with many stones and rocks on that. And they have a narrow V-shaped the V-shaped channel at the upper course, so that's why they got a little river energy. For the middle course 中游啦， so the elevation 佢唔係太高啦，咁然後佢所以呢嗰個 gradient 呢都係 moderate 嘅，然後佢 catchment area 呢相對地就大翻少少啦，大過上游啦，但係可能細過下游嘅，咁所以佢嘅水呢就會多翻啲啦。咁同時間呢，佢嗰個 stones 咧就冇咁多 less rough， 同埋佢一個闊啲嘅 V shape 啦，闊啲嘅 V shape 接近 U 型啦。咁所以呢，佢嗰個 river energy 呢就會係 medium 啦。For the lower course, because they have the low elevation and with very gentle gradient, and you can see the catchment area is very large, and thus there are a lot of channel water here, and they can flow smoothly, and you could see it's very wide here, and that's why they got a greater river energy in the lower course. While for the river mouth, the mouth of the river, the very low elevation and the gradient. Okay, so they got a very little river energy in at the mouth of the water. Of the river. So in general, the energy of the river increase from the source to the lower course. Okay, towards the mouth side, it increase the river energy. So we will learn more about the next section of this chapter, okay, about how the energy of the river will shape the land of the different course.